In this video, I want to explain some of the hurdles that I've faced in the last week with starting out as a new hobbyist with drones. First thing I want to explain is get your drone registered with the FAA. It's going to save you possible headaches. There's all kinds of small things that you need to know. They're explained on the FAA's website. Things like, you shouldn't fly above 400 feet. You never want to fly over top of crowds. You want to avoid flying over electrical or utilities like say a hydroelectric plant. Obviously any kind of restricted airspace like, air bases, airports. And if you do live around an airport, there's regulations that you're not supposed to fly without contacting the airport if you live within 5 miles of the airport. So there's quite a bit of information that you need to know as a drone owner, on top of the fact that just to fly the drone without it being registered to the FAA, if it weighs more than 1/2 of a pound, up to 55 pounds, they can literally lock you up for 6 months, $30,000 fine. I've watched other YouTube channels, people explaining that they flew a drone in like the national park for a short period of time. They posted a video on YouTube and they were fined a substantial amount. You cannot fly in any national parks. Most state parks, from my understanding. Now there's ways around it. I wouldn't recommend doing it. It's just, if you're trying to get around doing something, you're just asking for trouble. You can fly in national forest if you're in the right area. There is an actual app for your phone or tablet. It's called AirMap. Go online, download the app, install it in your device, save yourself some hassle. Also, make sure that you know in your local state the rules of your state, because like where I'm at in Michigan, we have birds, bald eagles. If you're around a bald eagle, if you have a known nesting area for a bald eagle and you're anywhere near it, you're looking for trouble. Little Kirtland warbler birds, if you fly within a specified zone for that, you can face massive fines. So the video I shot was just a little test flight today. Ran it in the speed of the slowest speed of my drone can go. I was testing out my new access point repeater that I made. It worked okay. The video clipped off at about 2.5 minutes, so I've got something to work on there. But it was interesting, and I'm learning as I go. Next step is I'm just going to buy a MiFi repeater, I believe is what it's called. It's a actual wireless repeater that you can program with your cell phone, and then it runs off a battery pack, and then you can put it on a tripod right out in the area that you're flying. So all right, enjoy the video, and thanks for watching, and subscribe. Thanks.